Hello and welcome to part 2 of whatever this is. बाय मैं सुबह उठना तो एकदम गिव अप ही कर चुकी हूँ. मतलब आई नो कि आई कांट डू इट. यू नीड अ मम्मी टू वेक यू अप इन द मॉर्निंग. दैट हैज़ बीन established. If you want to keep 8 a.m.s, please let us bring our moms here, please. Because I had an 8 a.m. okay, and guess when I woke up? कर दिया 7:45 अलार्म बंद कर दिया और मेरी फिर सीधा मेरी नींद खुली 7:47 पे भी. and I was like 7:50 उठूंगी. I woke up at 8 and it's 8:13 right now, 14 maybe, and I'm on my way. और मेरे कोई शर्म नहीं है. मेरी अकेड राइटिंग की क्लास है एंड द टीचर वाज सो फकिंग चिल. मतलब व्हिच इज़ प्रॉब्ली व्हाई आई एम लेट. मतलब वो अभी भी अटेंडेंस दे देगी और फिर आधे घंटे बाद शी विल टेल अस टू गो हैव ब्रेकफास्ट और हम भी पागलों की तरह चले जाएंगे. एनीवे मेरा हाथ दर्द हो रहा है तो बाय. 8:50. Say hi.
I woke up, I got ready in 5 minutes, I slept again and then I came here.
It's winter carnival day and I have to be there by 9. It is currently 8:33. But before that, I want to show you what I'm thinking of wearing. So we got this First Cut ka t-shirt. So that's the committee that I'm in. Thinking of wearing shorts in it. Even though it's damn hot, but पैरों में ठंड नहीं लगती है. I'll wear like a leather jacket ऊपर and shoes नीचे. And I will see you when I'm ready in 3, 2, 1. Bye. All ready. Slight outfit change. I was supposed to wear shorts but I couldn't because बहुत ठंडी हो रही है. They also gave us an ID. Look, that's me. I look so pretty. Anyways, this is what the front looks like. This is what the back looks like. I love it. भाई मैंने डिनर भी नहीं करा है. I only had one meal today and that was at fucking 1:30. Anyways, I have to go for my duty now. Bye gang. So, Adya and I have duty together
And I have a midterm.
to play a game, to make them play a game, and that's what we're doing. The game is basically कि headphones पहनने हैं, phrase guess करना है, दूसरा वाला guess करवाएगा. We have pulled so much crowd. I'll show you.
Okay, you got me. Go through picture, go.
It's our turn to play now.
Someone will come.
Yeah, it's our turn to play now. Oh, do you want to play?
Don't wear the headphones.
Our turn. Finally.
I think. Don't look.
No? Twig. Quick. Mouse. Brown. Fox. Don't say. The quick brown fox jump over the hill. Stay. Someone's here. It's so pretty, bro. Like, wait.
Thank you. It's not garam. हाँ भाई मिल गई शांति.
Ha ha ha.
Alright guys, the karaoke has started. We'll have background music going on here.
I am mostly done with the event. Look what I got here. And now we are heading to Barsha to And now we're heading. Oh my god, lighting! And now we're heading to Barsha to get dinner because I haven't had anything. Subhas. Oh no! I can make all the tables turn. Rose garden filled with thorns. Be the second. Oh my god, who is she? You look like my next mistake. Loves the game, wanna play. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. When I was 13, I had my first love. But I'm losing you. I'll buy you anything. I'll buy you every ring. And I'm in pieces. Baby, fix me. And you shake me till you wake me from this bad dream. I'm going down, 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 down. And I just can't believe my first love will be a running on my baby.
Had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you could even say it glows. I don't even know why I got it that ready, but it's just Wednesday is my busiest day, so I'm out the most, and that's when I think is an opportunity to dress good. Even brother is gonna come visit me today, so that also. I'm not going back in my room after this because I have a 10 to 12, 12 to 2, and 2 to 4. Also, I have a test in French that I have to study for. By the way, it's like the 3rd of December today, and I don't have someone to give me a hoodie. और अभी मेरे पीछे एक couple लगा हुआ था like they exchanged hoodies and stuff. भाई पुणे में एकदम से इतनी ठंडी हो गई है, मतलब the temperature is not that bad, like it's 14-15 degrees, it's fine, but the wind, हवा ही चले जा रही है भाई. कल रात से I was in fucking half sleeves yesterday. We are in class now. It's principles of management, but I have a French final for which I'm gonna study again some more. I studied an intro to advertising for like an hour, but we're gonna study again. These are the worksheets that I have to solve. I've already solved some. We'll solve the rest now. Okay, hello. So, मेरा भाई आया था और वो चला गया है. अभी it's 6 p.m. and I have nothing to vlog anymore because I was about to go dinner with a friend and she can't. तो मैंने देखा मेरे व्लॉग्स में मैं जब भी कुछ प्लान बताती हूँ वो कैंसिल हो जाता है, तो मैं बताऊँगी ही नहीं अब. Anyway, I'm thinking I'll sleep for a while, then go gym, then dinner, and that's it. So I think I'll end this vlog here.